Hey everyone and welcome back. Today we are talking about the floating column chart. This chart can be used for visualizing the start and end points of a range or comparing the high and low values of any series. Let us see how to create this chart which shows average monthly variation of high and low temperatures of a city. This data captures the high and low temperatures from January to December. We'll begin by preparing the data. We first create a new column in between the columns for low and high values. Note that the order of columns here is important. First series is for the low temperature, followed by difference and then the high temperature. The series for low and high temperatures will be used to add data labels, while the difference will be used for plotting the floating column. Next, we will select all the four series and insert a stacked column chart. Next, we can remove the grid lines and legend if we want. We select the bottom series, right-click and remove the fill to make it invisible. Similarly, we select the topmost series, right-click and remove fill. Finally, we will add data labels. First, we will select the bottom series and add labels. We will format these labels to position them just below the floating column. Similarly, we will select the topmost series and add data labels, and we will format these labels to position them just above the floating column. Our floating column chart is ready. You may improvise it further by adding titles or annotating. This is all we have for today. Thanks for watching.